Living Path, namaste. Today we're going to talk about how to stop anxiety in our life, which is basically causing fluctuations in our mind, making us depressed, holding us back and limiting us to a very small bandwidth of perception. So what we want to do is we want to actually lift our vibration and get away from the lower vibration, which is trying to pull us down into anxiety, depression, and living in fear. So there's two basic emotions, primary emotions. You've got love or fear. And you want to be constantly feeding yourself love and letting the fear go and building the love vibration. Now, practical steps, people go, oh, how do you do that? It's all very well talking about it, but I'll actually do the practical side hours and hours each day. So what you need to do is you need to start, just try a bit of meditation, because meditating in the morning sets the tone for your whole day, and it actually puts your brain into a higher frequency, and it allows you to go into the quantum field, the higher energy perspective. So do a bit of research on meditating. I've got a video on meditating, learning how to meditate. So you can have a look at that. It's very simple. It's to do with breath work, but I won't go into it too much because this is about how to stop anxiety each day. So meditating is really important. Now, another thing too is called reframing. So say, for example, you've got a negative thought that blows into your mind and it's starting to pull you down. What you want to do is you want to say to it, I understand you're here to teach me, and realize that it's coming in. That's the first thing, is actually realizing the thought is coming in, seeing it come in. And then what you do is you say, you're teaching me, but then you need to say, I'm an infinite being, infinite love, infinite happiness. Because that's our essence, our true essence is infinite. And it goes from reincarnation to reincarnation, reincarnation. And that's our true essence. But our mind is constantly trying to block the infinite side of ourselves. We're trapped in our ego and attachment. So the first key is meditating. The second key is reframing, saying you're an infinite being. And also the gratitude side of things is saying thank you for this day. Thank you for the place I live in. Thank you for the seat I've got. Thank you for the body I'm in. Thank you for the food in my fridge. Thank you for the car I drive, or whatever. So you're getting yourself into a higher state. So you're using meditation, reframing, and gratitude. Gratitude is really important, and you're linking it with reframing, and you're also using meditation. So you're using practical tools each day to transform yourself and to get away from the dross, lower vibration that's people are getting pulled into. Stay away from the news or negative people. Just stay away from it for a while if you've got anxiety. And stay away from reading anything negative, any films that are violent. Just stay away from it for a while. See if there's a change in your levels of anxiety. See if you're actually getting into a better state. Then you've got your cosmic consciousness, is what you want to also implement into your life. You want to realize that you're actually part of everything. And this is proven in quantum physics. It's not just woo-woo, which is people love saying, but it's actually been proven that we're part of the field. We pop out from the field, from the earth, using the earth as building blocks for our body and our mind, the brain, and then we go back into the earth, okay? So that's basically how it works. And we're here for a short amount of time. So, but realizing that we're part of everything gives you, changes your perception drastically. You're looking at people as brothers and sisters. You're looking at other beings as brothers and sisters. You're looking at nature as part of you, part of the whole. So that's really important, guys. And along with that too, you want to be looking at the food you're eating, staying away from sugar, staying away from stimulants, white flours and stuff like that. You want to be eating lots of fresh fruit, vegetables, nuts, legumes. You want to be doing, so that keeps your mind very balanced and provides you with a lot of energy to metabolize, to make protein, to have and minerals for your body. So those are the aspects. You've got meditation, you've got reframing, okay, saying you're an infinite being. Then you've got the gratitude, thanking for the things that you've got. And that's, you can carry that through the day, and the reframing through the day. And the meditation helps put you in a good vibration. Then you've also got the cosmic consciousness, looking at things as you're part of everything, okay? So then you've got your clean eating, looking at the way you're eating and stuff like that. So if you implement these things and over a period of time consistently, then you'll transform your vibration on a daily basis. You won't be bogged down, especially in the mornings. Your mind tends to go into the past, and it tries to pull you down into negative thinking. What you want to do is you just want to give thanks for the day and gratitude when you first wake up. Then you want to go through the things in your mind that you're thankful for, and then you want to tell yourself you're an infinite being. You want to do this in the mornings, and you want to do it at night. So that's really key, guys, on transforming and changing your whole perception and just leaving anxiety, fear, lower vibrations, just letting them go. So I hope this helped. Subscribe if you want. I've got heaps of bonuses about clean eating below. So support the channel. It's great to see you guys. Namaste. Bye, guys.